experience the oldest nature park in Austria. A special nature experience in tune with the rhythm of the seasons. Our park is located just outside Vienna, in the southern Vienna woods. Discover the diverse animal life at home in the nature park. Get to know the nature park residents. And explore 3 romantic ruins dating from the Middle Ages and the Biedermeier period. The adventure playground with a large water area offers children plenty of action and a comfortable place for adults to relax. Here and in the visitor center, with its shop, you will find local specialities to enjoy for a snack. A wide range of hiking trails lead through the pristine forests and meadows, with many inviting places to let go and relax. The lush meadows are home to a rich variety of flora and fauna. Golden autumn falls upon the particular peace of the Vienna woods. In addition to the autumn colors, the rutting season of the fallow deer and European mouflon is also a special highlight, and you can watch it at your ease from the wildlife gallery. And enjoy the wide variety of the park's vegetation and wildlife. Experience it yourself. Forget the hustle and the bustle of everyday life and dive into the adventure. Nature Park Sparbach.